Hey everyone, it's Burak from Trading Channels and I'm back with the weekend video. 31st of October. As usual, we start with the ES E-mini contract. Look, the green channel is the major one that is still ongoing. The recent pullback basically came all the way and it bounced off these green support zones. It wasn't a very sharp shooting like this here, but eventually this was quite sharp shooting because the blue resistance that was holding for quite some time, that basically was broken and it didn't come back for a backtest. And then we kept on pushing higher. The green zone that was holding before, that was cleared, and all the others were also cleared, and it kept on pushing higher. Now what we have is this golden sideways bull flag is also now gone, and we closed the week at a new all-time high, which is no surprise at all. We are we'll see how far this leg can go up, but any pullback I would still be buying the dips. The target is maybe the green top band, but so far the next potential support would be, for me, would be the red bottom band, and that's a potential channel to move to higher. So but there's no pullback whatsoever so far, so this is going very healthy, very strong. Now Dow Jones moved within the blue channel. It was confirmed at this low, so the top band was this and the bottom band first touch was this, and the moment it bounced off this, it became a sideways channel, and that was a dip to buy. Later on it moved beyond the red top band. That was a bull flag, which of course targeted a new all-time high, and that's exactly where Dow is. And the immediate channel, the uptrend, is this golden one with quite a few touches on the top and 2 touches on the bottom band. So that's the perfect uptrend definition. Now, if any pullback occurs, then we would probably see the golden bottom band as the next potential dip to buy. Ultimately, if we see the blue top band holds, come back down to the golden, and then bounce to break the blue channel to the upside, I reckon the blue top band will eventually be broken, but of course it's very hard to say when. This is all about price action, no scenarios. Now Nasdaq gave us the best signals. This was the law which was marked by the red bottom band. It is as accurate as it gets. Look at this. So one and the second touch on the few touches on the top, 1 2 3 4 touches on the top band, and then one, if you count that as 2 and 3, I'm not sure, you can say this was a kind of a rail rather than a single line, so I would say like a chalk rather than a pencil, but it doesn't matter. This bounce off the red bottom band was superbly accurate, and then the green, first of all, there was this little bull flag that formed following the reversal at the green top band that also confirmed it as a downwards channel. So 2 touches here, 3 touches there. So sorry, 3 touches at the top, 2 touches at its bottom band, and then finally we broke out. We bought all this breakout and this one. Every chance of a breakout, I offered new buy levels, new buying opportunities. Now later on, there was this resistance that I had deleted, so it was broken, back tested, and then finally the blue one was broken, back tested 3 times. As you can see, these lines are recognized by the market. I'm not plotting any lines out of nowhere. These are plotted by the markets. I'm only highlighting them. And as long as there is justification and confirmation by the price action, then these lines offer a lot of value. Now the black top band, 1, 2, 3, it will be tested for the 4th time. I reckon the golden top band is the ultimate target still, and that's around 16,500. I thought we're going to test that right here back in end of August, September, beginning of September, but it fell short. You can see 2 touches at the bottom, 2 touches at the top, and I would be expecting a 3rd touch before a major reversal for Nasdaq. So the top band is still the target because this fell short, and that top band is over 16,500, and of course the red channel, which is inside the golden one. So a channel inside a channel. They are both extremely accurate, precise, and they are giving us very good guidance. Russell, the green one, is the one that I have been watching. These bottom band touches, bounces. Lately it basically got to the purple resistance, 1, 2, 3, the 4th touch, and then it came down quite steeply. This was this very steep channel. It broke out. This blue channel that was a bear flag, it was failed. I mean, it basically faked that bear flag, which was a buy signal for me. 2,260 we bought, and it is now forming this golden bull flag, that small one. Hopefully it will be broken soon, and we're going to get to the purple resistance to smash it. And then once it's gone, then the green top band will be the minimum target at 2,430 or so. And FTSE is moving within the blue channel. Perfect definition of a channel. And just recently we had a small pullback. It basically touched the green interim support at the low, and it basically bounced off the black bottom band, and it formed a black channel and later on broke it. And that was also a bullish signal, which I tweeted. So this is looking very good. Obviously the blue top band has to be broken for a big run to 7,500. That's the target. The red top band is the target. DAX, the pullback formed this perfect bull flag. You can see 1, 2 touches at the top. This was the first touch, and I said the moment it bounces it becomes a channel, and it became a channel later on to be broken by the right here. 2 back tests on the blue top band. And this is also like perfect dips to be bought. And then the green resistance, which had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th one broke it, back tested twice. This came also like a close back test after break of the golden uptrend. Pretty good dip. Didn't back test it really, but it came very close. As long as this green and blue supports are holding, for me there is every reason to believe or to expect that we're going to get to the red top band, which is the ultimate target, at least for this run, at 16,500 euros. Let's have a look at oil. First of all, let me show you the oil, Brent oil. The Brent oil had formed this massive, super precise bull flag. Okay, this was the law that after the bounce, I said the top band is confirmed with 2 touches here. The bottom band was not confirmed until the bounce. This was the COVID crash. Now we had a huge bounce, and then later on came back to the purple top band to smash it. 1, 2, 3, 4, broken, back tested, and you can see it held. Now after that, the green bull flag, that was also a textbook bull flag, that was broken to the upside, came all the way to the blue top band, it now has broken the blue support. So to me, this looks like a little bit of a warning where we may have, because the blue top band's break was not followed through. So this here is gone, and we will have to wait and see where the next bottom out is. On the West Texas Intermediate, you can see the green channel. Again, just like the Brent oil, perfect bull flag was broken, came back for a back test. Then the red top, so the red channel has formed, but the formation didn't happen very quickly. So the two touches are here, only one touch here. The moment it tested here, the red top band, and pulled back, it basically confirmed this as an uptrend. And now you can see every dip is within the red channel, and recently the blue support or resistance is cleared. And as long as this red channel is intact, stays intact, there is more upside. Ultimately 85, 87, and then later on, if we one day break the red bottom band, I think that would be the start of kind of a deeper pullback. Natgas, show you again a perfect channel. First of all, the uptrend. This was the, but oh, 1 second, let me show you the daily first. Okay, so the daily was the green resistance that held at the third touch, broken, back tested, and it pushed, and it basically formed this massive spike to the upside. That explains basically this resistance all the way from 2008 high, 2018 high. It held at the recent, like 2021, I think that one was somewhere, when was that? I think summer, July 7th, and then finally broken, back tested. And let me show you now. I think we can delete this green resistance. That has done its job. So on the 4-hourly chart, I called for a reversal right here because of the golden top bottom band and the third touch. First touch on the top. I said if it reverses, we're gonna have the confirmation of this perfect uptrend. And look at this accuracy. I mean, this is pretty good. So now we came all the way to the green to form the green bull flag, and basically we bought the bounce at the third touch on the green bottom, and we bought the bounce at 5.1, and then I close it right here, thinking that the green top band, will hold a little bit, maybe even break the red. Sorry, there was another bear flag formation like this, so I thought it would probably come down. No, it basically smashed the green top band with a gap up, moved on, and formed the red steep channel with so many touches. Look at this, confirmation touches, and finally it broke to the downside, which I missed. I was looking away while it broke this red bottom band, okay, and it was already 100 ticks down, so I was hoping for a back test, which never came. That is what happens with these steep channels. Once they break, then it becomes a waterfall, kind of a waterfall right now already. Now the black bottom band together with the green back test is the potential support. So that is a potential double support, which is going to be around 4.7. Okay, 470. Of course, we have to see. I mean, if it may come down basically next week, on the 8th of November or so. That's what the data is showing me. So 8th of November or so. Yeah, then of course this support, if it holds and causes a bounce, we're buying it again. And the ultimate target is 750 for natgas. And that's the blue top band as a potential resistance. Okay, so that's the blue top band all the way from 2005 high. There is one here. So this whole thing may become like a resistance zone here. Okay, the bottom band is this one, of course. All right, too much natgas. Gold. This is a bit disappointing, I would say. This green channel's breakout and backtest many times, and finally it moved on. Now the red resistance was broken, backtested, and this backtest has been quite deep. And it basically bounced on the golden broken resistance backtest. You can see here it bounced off, and I'm hoping that, one second, this blue channel, maybe you will see another bounce off this and then come back to this resistance at 1830. This blue resistance has to be broken at 1830-35 for a major breakout for gold, but we're not there yet. Silver, this was the fake to the downside, epic fake to the downside, because the purple support, the purple top band, and this purple channel is a major bull flag. Once it was broken, you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth one broke it, and I said this is the bottom that has fallen off. That was a very bearish action, but it was not. So it basically came back, went back into the purple channel, and then finally cleared the red resistance and backtested it twice. Now the green channel is clearly a bull flag inside the purple, and I still expect the green top band to be broken eventually. This short term, the black channel is broken. So I don't know if it can pull back all the way to 23, 24, that 23, 22, 23. That is the question now. But on the other hand, this blue one is a nice bull flag formation. So we may get there, bounce off to break the blue top band and to run to 26. So I think silver is looking still extremely bullish within this purple major bull flag. Forex, euro has basically backtested the massive resist support. Okay, this blue support that was broken, and I said 116.80 is the backtest level, and that's exactly where it reversed. That is the super formation of that resistance together with the green downtrend. Okay, so 118.90 was the reversal, so 10 pips higher and then down big time, right? Now the blue bottom band is kind of a speculative support. I'm not very fond of this sort of formation, but so far I think it may be working. Clearly, if this blue bottom band breaks for good, then euro may dive all the way to 113, 114. It has to bounce and break the green top band for a major run. And I want to show you the major channel, which is being it's in jeopardy now because the red massive bull flag that has formed since 2008 high, financial crash, yeah, it was broken, backtested, and this is the second backtest. And I'm still hoping that it is going to be broken. This backtest will be holding and this green channel will be broken to the upside so that we can get to 130 at least. And pound sterling, okay, here the green bottom band held, so this was the support. This blue bull flag is breaking to the downside, which is not good news. And I thought it would come back all the way to the red top band and then come down, then finally break to the upside. So pound and euro are not really very strong, not getting strong. I don't want to do use US dollar Japanese yen. Actually, I want to do it. Let's do it. So US dollar Japanese yen, this is the COVID crash. And then massive bounce. Came back down within a big wedge and then finally broke it. Now the green top band basically confirmed this as a really big channel, and it looks like a bear flag from this kind of action and very not so steep uptrend. This looks like a bear flag, but of course it has to come down and break it to the downside for confirmation. If we get a bit more closer, the blue uptrend, the short-term blue uptrend, has been broken and back-tested, and the red support is gone as well. Now the golden top band, if it does hold, we may see another dive to the golden bottom band, and that level is at 114.40, 114.35. That's the potential resistance level. DXY, this golden broken resistance zone was back tested, and this explains why. This is exactly the euro's support or resistance, so it's the same as the DXY, just inverted. And Kiwi, the green top band, I think maybe you may remember in the previous video I marked it, the green top band, as the potential resistance, and that's exactly what happened. It basically dived from there. Now the golden channel is holding. I'm going to delete this blue one because that blue bull flag, it didn't hold at the back test. So the golden one is the one to watch. So if we see it coming all the way to the green top band and break it, that's very, very strong golden channel. But if it breaks to the downside, then I think Kiwi will back test the red broken resistance that I had also mentioned in the previous videos. I said this resistance break would get to the green top band, and now we may get a back test if the golden bottom band breaks to the downside. Ooh, all right, not Aussie dollar, I'm not covering that. It's getting too long. Now what we have here is Bitcoin. I'm pretty sure many of you were expecting this one. Now the blue resistance or support that was broken, back tested so many times while it was breaking the golden bull flag. So the golden bull flag was broken, which explains the reason why it got to a new all-time high. Now the blue resistance is still on, and the blue bottom band is there as a support. So this is pretty accurate. Kind of a spin-off channel. I can't say this is a kind of a good definition of a channel for a reason that would take me too long to explain. But what I mean is here, for example, this as long as this blue boundaries are holding, the trend is up, and clearly this black bull flags breakout was pretty good, but its back test is a little bit weak. So good back test is the second back test. If it does hold, then Bitcoin will get to $72,000 soon. Last is Ethereum, and Ethereum green channel is holding. This is perfect channel. 1, 2, 3, 2 touches on the top, and the blue bull flag is broken and back tested twice. So it is after, of course, breaking out of the golden bull flag. And I think one of the recent videos I said, if the green bottom band doesn't get tested and we get to the golden top band and break it, then the blue channel will break too. That's a bull flag. I think Ethereum is targeting 8,000 minimum. If we look at the bull flags height, we can add another height, so that's $9,000. That's it. This was a very long video, but yeah, I normally do maybe 14, 15 markets every day at the beginning of the trading day. for the subscribers. So feel free to try it free for 10 days. No questions asked if you want to leave before the 10 days is over. All right, guys, take care. Have a good rest of the weekend. Bye.